U6, it is time for the first activity during the first day of the summer camp of friendship.
So what are we going to do for the first activity?
You guys are going to be doing some bird watching.
The basics of bird watching is that you guys will look around the yard for a specific type of bird we will show you guys, and then you guys will alert it to us when you find that kind.
And here are some binoculars so you guys can have a better look at some of the birds.
Okay, we think we know what to do. Let's start looking for those birds.
Brilliant. The first bird you guys need to look for is the songbird. Hey, I think I know what the songbird looks like. I may not have a hard time looking for it.
Well then, baby, where do you think it is at this hour?
It is. Oh, I see it. It is up at that tree branch.
Nice work, baby shark. You found the songbird. Now it's time for the second bird.
The second bird you six need to find is the American robin bird.
Leave it all to me, fishies. I saw that bird before and I know what it looks like.
Do you see it, Goldie?
Great gills, there it is. By that other tree branch next to the house.
Awesome looking there, Goldie. You guys are doing great. Now here is your third bird to look for. Try to find a bird that is orange.
An orange bird? That is the same color as me. There must be some around here somewhere.
I can help you out, William, if you are good with that.
Sounds good with me, Chucks.
Wait, I see one, William. Take a look.
You're right, Chucks. That is an orange bird. And I think that is the orange oriole.
You are correct, William. It is the orange oriole. And great teamwork you and Chucks did, by the way.
Now, your fourth bird to find is the red-headed woodpecker.
I think I know what the bird looks like. I saw it when we went on that hike a while back. And there it is. I see the red-headed woodpecker.
Amazing work, Thola. Nice job finding it.
Now for the fifth and last bird. This one is a little tricky to look for. You guys now need to look for the kingfisher bird.
Yikes. That is a bird we never, ever, seen before.
Do not worry, we just need to work together to find it. Everyone, look high, low, left, or right to find it.
Eureka, I found the kingfisher bird. Look at that tree branch.
You did it, Hank. You found the kingfisher bird.
And it's also in our treehouse. Great teamwork, you six. You just completed your first activity.
And it looks like the sun is starting to go down.
Which means this concludes our first day at the camp. Let's all get into the tents we hooked up and get ready for bed.
A few minutes later.
Oh man, what a great first day of camp we had.
It sure was. I am wondering, what are we going to do tomorrow?
Well, you will find that out by the morning.
Well, we better get back to our tents and get some sleep.
So good night, you six. See you in the morning.
Good night, you guys, as well.
Hope you guys have a good sleep.
Well guys, I think we better get some sleep as well.
Yep, cause we have another day of camp tomorrow.
And I am starting to feel a little sleepy at this moment.
Well, let's get in our sleeping bags and get some good night sleep. Good night, you guys.
Good night to you two as well. What a great day this was.